Hey you guys, what's up? It's your girl Faith. Today in this video, I will be reviewing this black rice for the first time. I will be making black rice water to try my hair today, and it looks like poo. Let's just be honest. I'm gonna go ahead and say what everybody is thinking. It looks like poo. I know you guys been seeing white rice and black rice water just all over YouTube, and to me, honestly, the black rice looks like it's winning with all its nutrients, and it's more, let's say, beneficial. Just a few great things about black rice is that it protects your hair from wind and sun damage. It provides biotin, vitamin B, along with other proteins necessary for hair growth. It makes your hair glossy and smooth. It provides nutrition for protection of the hair and scalp. And lastly, it has the greatest quantity of anthocyanin present in any known food. Today, I will be only using a half a cup of rice. I'm just going to show you guys this so you guys can see it before it starts expanding. Okay, I will be starting off with washed rice. Make sure you guys wash your rice. This is very crucial. I don't care if I'm using it in my hair or I'm eating it. I always wash my rice. I am going to make sure I use a half a cup, and I'm just pouring it into my mason jar. Everything that I used in this video, I will make sure to put it in the description box below. To make this process a little bit more easier, they do have funnels for cheap. You could probably get it at your local dollar store, Family Dollar, but I like to save my coins, sis, so I'm not gonna do all that. As you guys can see, I am scraping and getting every last grain out of this measuring cup, okay? Because this black rice right here costs like 3 times more than regular white rice, okay? This is crazy. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep this up, but let's pray I can keep it up. This thing is about $11 for this little pack. I know, right? I cried too. I am using a personal bottle of purified drinking water, which is around 16.8 ounces. I will be doing 2 cups of water to a half a cup of rice. I have heard so many things about the smell of black rice water or rice water, period. So to combat that smell, I just picked out this lemongrass essential oil, and lemongrass is strong, so hopefully this will work out. I'll let you guys know. I made sure to only add a million gajillion drops. Y'all, I don't want to smell the stankness that you guys have been telling me about. I really don't have time for it. I'm just going to tighten up this mason jar, and as a tip for you guys, make sure you use a glass jar or something of that form. I'm just going to leave it here for 2 to 4 days, and we'll come back and see the progress. And we are back 4 days later. It looks a little thick, and it was a little hard to open, but you know, I managed to do that. It is thicker. The rice has really expanded, and I'm just in shock of how big the rice is. I'm just going to strain the rice out so I can be able to apply it to my hair. Like I have mentioned before, I like to get all my money's worth, so I'm squeezing all that nutrient in the measuring cup. I will be spraying it through a spray bottle. I will not be pouring or dipping my hair in a bowl that is just too messy for my liking. You know, to each his own. Okay, we are back in our regular settings. My hair is freshly washed. I mean, whoa. Okay, let's not talk about that. I'm just going to section it up and pin it up so I won't look crazy throughout the video. Make sure you guys don't forget to spray it in your scalp. People tend to forget time after time that your hair grows from your scalp, not your ends. Later on, after you're done moisturizing your scalp and getting it through your scalp, you can bring it down the length of your hair. Now, don't get me wrong. Make sure you get your ends because it's the oldest part of your hair. Your ends probably older than you. It has been worn out and all, so don't forget them. After you put the rice water throughout the length of your hair, you're going to go in with your favorite deep conditioner. I am going in with the TGIN Miracle Repair X Deep Conditioner, and it smells amazing. I am a low porosity gal, and I don't want this rice water treatment to make my hair all stringy and just get protein overload. So I am going to pair it with a deep conditioner, kill two birds with one stone. Now I'm about that life. Please tell me who doesn't want the benefits of a deep conditioner and a hair growth treatment. Come on now, sis. Get on the wave, try it out. Comment down below if y'all like this. In my honest opinion, I do not have any complaints yet. Let's hope this continue working. My hair feels really, really soft. And I don't know if it's just because of the ingredients in the rice water, but it literally made my deep conditioner foam up a lot. Like, I didn't even use that much deep conditioner, but just continue this process throughout your hair and you should be fine. Like I said before, make sure you focus it on your ends and your scalp and throughout the length of your hair. This is an amazing experience. I'm glad I tried this. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys tried this and how was your experience. I'm loving it so far. It's making my hair glossy, shiny already, and it's also making my curls juicy, so that's a plus. That's always a plus. And I am finishing up my right side, your left, and I like it so far. I'll get back to you guys when I'm back with the other side finished. My boyfriend wanted to be in the video so bad, so there he is. His little 5 seconds of fame. I did not use all of my rice water, but now I know because this is expensive to use less. Y'all all know, if you guys been subscribed to my channel, that I don't play about reusing and recycling my Walmart, Dollar General, Dollar Tree, Target bags to deep condition. I have my baby with me. It is my second time using it. It will be featured in my next video, so I'm gonna keep it hush hush. I will see you guys in 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, this is the end of the video. You guys, my hair felt pillow soft. It looks so shiny, juicy, and I'm just in love. I think I want to continue this journey. Let me know if you guys would like to see that down below. I'm with it. Comment down below what you guys think about my hair. Do you think it was worth it? And I will continue to document my progress throughout the time of me using this black rice. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you guys won't miss a beat. It's your girl Faith, and I'm out. Bye.